How to remove a Meta account on Facebook. So let's begin. First, you need to open the Facebook application, and then you have to tap on these three lines that you see here that appear in the top right corner. You need to click on them, and from there go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings, and after that you need to click on Meta Account Center. From here you have to select the Profiles option. Here all your Meta profiles like Instagram and Facebook will be displayed. However, you won't see an option to remove any account here, whether it's Instagram or Facebook. So if you want to remove an account, you need to scroll down and you see the accounts option. You need to click on this, and now you'll see that the option has appeared. From here, if I click on the Facebook account will be removed. And after that, the Instagram account can also be removed from here, and the Instagram account will also be removed from here. So this is how you can remove your Meta accounts. That was today's video on Facebook. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.